How to contact Binance customer support. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to contact Binance customer support. After you open Binance, now go to this menu at the top left side. From this section, now scroll to down, go to more services. In this option, now scroll to down. If you scroll to down, go to this chat under help and support chat. From this option, now scroll to down, go to this get support. So in this option now, tap on this section and type in P2P like this. Just type in P2P. After you type in P2P, just select one of these options that it gives you. So just tap on this one. So now it will give you list of information like this. Now scroll to down. After you scroll to down, just type in P2P again. P2P and tap on this send now. So now from this option, now scroll to down and tap on this section which says on sub, this one. So from there you can tap on this search. So now go ahead, type in customer support like this. Type in customer support and tap on this send button. So as you can see now in this option now if I tap on this OK button, now it will allow me to chat with Binance customer support. Here it says, I understand that you need a human agent to handle your issue. Please click on OK button below to transfer to a member of the customer support team. If I tap on this OK button, I can be able now to chat with real human in Binance customer support. Please like and subscribe.